Hi, this is Gilbert's Bits of Bites. I'm Jill, and today I'm going to show you the latest action I've come up with that creates painted edges around the outside of your paper. And this is what it's for. It's just JPEG. Don't try to use it on your elements unless your elements are just really square, because it won't work. Anyway, let's get started. The way you want to start this thing is to start off with a paper open. This is one of the papers from my new collection called Copper Spice. And you want to do I'm not talking very well, am I? Like the action says, start here, start here. It sets it up for the running all these other things here, all the magic behind the scenes. Okay, now you're ready to go. Now you can do everything in black because it basically sets it up as in the default black, or you can pick your colors as you go along. So you can color with, before or after, up to you. Each one of these edges will end up on a separate layer so that you can kind of move them around. Usually I know these enough now that I kind of know what sequence I want to run them in. There are also examples in the folder that comes with the action that shows you what the edges look like. So let's get started. With this one, I'm going to start picking my colors right from the beginning. And I'm going to use something that's going to give it kind of a sprayed effect around the outside, kind of in the background. So let's see, blue, well, kind of a green, right? And it'll be dark. Okay, so that would be like, let's say, edge 7 here. I just click that and voila, we've got some painted edges. Okay, now these are the ones that kind of splatter out more after that. I think it starts at about edge 9 or maybe edge 8. So let's pick a color. Maybe we want a light one. I don't know. There's a good color. Okay, and then we'll run this again. As you can see, they're on separate layers here. So there's your splatter with that one. Okay, let's pick one that isn't quite so big to kind of fill in with it. Pick another color. We'll pick a darker orange. And run it. Oh, can't see that very well, can you? Yeah, but it's there. Anyway, I can keep running this. I can run every single edge on here. Um, it's kind of like your choice what you want to do. Because you can actually, like I said, as you can see, they're on separate layers. I can move them around, stack them differently. I don't like one, I can delete it. Any number of things there. Okay, so there we go. There's all our painted edges. Now, if you want to finish this up and you want this to flatten out onto your paper, you hit there and you hit finish here. Flattens your file out and makes, you're able to save it then. If you want to have just the edges, turn off your paper, save it out as a ping. If you're a designer, this is a great way to make edges for your collections. You can kind of use the palette that you picked and make these sprayed kind of artsy edges to it. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoy it and have hours of fun with it.